This private house is a signature design by JUMA Architects, with an architectural office space next door. Set back from the road, the house is surrounded by lush greenery that provides privacy. The design consists of 3 connected volumes: a garage, an architect's office with separate access, and a main house. The house is long and low, with the children's bedrooms on the ground floor and the master bedroom upstairs. Exterior. The exterior of the house features 3 distinct volumes that are connected to each other, creating a harmonious and easy-to-read composition. A long driveway leads to an intimate inner courtyard, surrounded by the wooden walls of the garage, the architect's office with separate access, and the main house located in the middle. Surrounded by lush greenery, the house prioritizes privacy and gives a sense of calm. Interior. The interior of the house is designed with high functionality and comfort in mind. The children's bedrooms are located on the ground floor, while the master bedroom on the first floor offers a private suite with a dressing room and bathroom. A glass porch between the kitchen and living room opens up views to the garden from various angles, creating a bright, airy space that is visually connected to the surrounding nature.